I'll record for you.
You need a flashlight to see.
Hey guys, we out here, man. Today, we're ready. Recording already.
Take a picture. Let's record you, not take a picture.
It is taking a picture. We only got one battery bar left. We out here, man.
Okay.
Oh, damn. This is all lighting, bro. I like this. This is lighting. Alright, so what you doing, bro?
I'm about to take off this plastic shit on my car.
This plastic shit right here.
Yeah. Yeah, bro.
Hey, man.
Yo, bro.
Where y'all going?
Go to Mike's house. There's cores inside.
What's up, bro?
What up, G?
How you been?
Pretty good. I'm working on this shit.
Yeah.
Alright. What time y'all coming home?
Who's leaving you?
I know, I could just run a mic
You made fun of her feet.
That was a good ass workout. Alright.
Oh, shit, that fucking hurt.
Oh, so you're gonna put this harness bar in? So
Yeah.
basically, Joey's putting his harness bar in.
Throw that on there.
I want to see.
You need a beer, bro?
What kind of beer you got?
Let me see. We need to get this energy drink. You want a beer, Sessa? Oh. Where's it at? We ain't got no energy drinks, man. Oh shit. There ain't none. Where's your six pack at?
Oh, I didn't bring it.
Was it in the car?
Say what?
Was it in the car?
What, the six pack? A beer? I didn't grab it. Where's my flag? Turn that light over here, dude.
I wanna go no fucking Wonder Formal, man. I got no one to go with. Plus I didn't want to go.
Who?
If y'all single, hit me up. So what you doing? Trying to take this shit out?
Yeah. Taking out this plastic shit.
It ain't going, huh?
It's going, but barely going.
Do it.
Got you, bro.
Go sit back there, Jay.
Damn.
I could barely reach. Look at.
It don't move forward?
No.
Here, let me move out real quick.
It's like, it's stuck there. It's only like meant for myself. Yeah.
Is this easy to put on?
This?
Yeah.
It should be. I'm just
Damn.
making it more difficult than it should be.
Race car for real, y'all.
Oh, you might have to lift that side up. It's cold as fucking.
That's alright.
Ow, my arm's done.
Oh yeah, so why didn't y'all go to formal?
Because nobody went.
No one went.
Oh, shit.
That shit almost hit me in the dick.
Ow, I'm stuck for real. Sorry, I just dropped it. Oh, man. I give up.
This is confusing.
How did I get stuck?
I fucking hate working on cars in the dark,
Oh,
man.
my God.
Why?
Can't see.
I get pissed off if I can't fucking see some shit.
Did you still want me to hold out this arm?
Yeah.
Where's that light at? Oh.
Here you go, the other side, Ben.
Sit down
Man,
and
look
talk
at
to
this
me.
nigga seats, yo.
Just come out.
Ooh, you should. What motor does? Wait, what motor you got? Secret?
Secret.
Secret.
What?
YouTube can't know.
No, another one. Master mechanic. Damn.
Master
We're gonna
mechanic,
let
dude.
go.
Go ahead.
Okay, Pearl.
It's tight already. Yeah, we just need to do the other side.
Oh, you gotta come over here? Okay. Hard for me to get out.
No, look at the seats. I didn't even see his seats. These are nice, bro.
Bro?
You picked this up from Eli?
Yeah. And that for like 180.
180.
You wanted like 200 for one, but
Shit is nice.
alright, y'all. All I gotta do now, get my harness onto the bar,
We out here, man.
and that'll be it.
We got some energy drinks.
Yeah, we got some energy drinks. Yeah. Alright. I'll show y'all the finished product when I'm done.
Should be good. Good?
You see, but yeah.
This side is more tighter than that side.
Where's the rag at?
Press that shit down.
Good.
I don't know, try it out.
Let's see, yo.
Yeah, press on this.
What? To unlock screen, slide the launch cycle.
It's already on.
Good? You're gonna race car for real. Ejecto seat.
Ejecto seat cut.
Where's your button at right here?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. That'll be it for the video. You know, shout out to Cesar right here.
Hey.
You know, shout out to Dave.
Soda. Sprite.
Sponsor
Shout out
us.
to Gina. She's not out here.
Gina's right here.
But she's hearing your heart.
Yep. Alright. See y'all later, y'all. See y'all next time.